Yo, I ain't gonna lie, man. I thought a lot more people be interested in grabbing these Air Jordan 1 low mochas just due to the fact that what happened a couple years ago when we got the highs, man. It was super hard to get, you know what I'm saying? Resellers was going crazy with the resale tag on the Mocha highs. And now we got a Mocha low with some nice quality, good cutter suede on the back, good leather, everything. It's a great Air Jordan 1 low. But again, I'm not trying to sell you the sneaker. I just thought that these would do a lot better in terms of how they sold today. But we got to talk about it. We're going to review these things, throw them on feet and all that good stuff. But real quick, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you did secure a pair of these Mocha Air Jordan 1 lows down below in the comment section, man. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Yes, you, bro. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And I think that this release today comes in no surprise of it actually sitting. You guys seen a bunch of other Jordans sitting, Olympic 6s. I can go down a list of some shoes that have set, like some notable OG colorways, you know what I'm saying, that has been sitting. Like, we've seen a bunch of restocks. We've seen all this stuff where there are plenty of pairs from Nike and Jordan Brand coming out, and we come all the way to this Mocha 1 drop, and we finally have it. And again, bro, it didn't translate as well as I thought that it would, but again, bro, this is a new day and age. Like, at this point, it's not surprising to see anything sitting. I won't even be surprised if we see these joints right here sitting. I'm not even gonna lie. I am not gonna be surprised if we see these sitting, if we see the Legend Blue 11 sitting. It just comes no surprise. A new day and age when it comes to sneakers, and everything don't gotta sell out. You know what I'm saying? Everything does not have to sell out just for people to like it. So I always tell people, man, buy what you like. Forget everybody else, buy what you like. And if you did want to wait to get these when the resale drop, you know, prior to the drop today, the resale was pretty high. I was one of the people that paid over $280 for these joints right here just to get them early, and I could have waited till today and got them for retail. And there's gonna be some people even waiting after today or some weeks in, you know, the near future to get these things on sale. Potentially might find them at a Nike outlet. You might see these things going for like $100. You never know, man. I always want to, you know, bring you guys back to the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toes. Those right there, bro. A lot of people loved them, but they did not do too crazy when it came to the drop day. There were pairs still sitting, and I made a video something similar to this. I say, yo, I'm surprised that these are sitting, but again, bro, now that I think about it, it is a new day and age. I do have the Black Toes right here. Go ahead and check them out, bro. This is a pair that I currently be rocking to the gym, and you've seen the transition. They came with the red laces in here, or they come with black laces. I think, yeah, they came in with some red laces. I don't know if they came with extra ones, but I took some white laces out of my other Air Jordan 1 lows and made these look a lot better in my opinion. I seen a homie, he got kicks, even talk about it in his video. I don't know if he harped on it as much, but just throwing in some extra laces in there. I think I seen a homie, even Jay, he throwing some pink laces when he dropped the photo over on IG. So it is dope, you know what I'm saying, to transition through the laces. And me personally, I will be taking the white laces out of my Black Toes and throwing them in the Mochas just to give them that extra pop. But the pink laces actually look crazy too, in my opinion. And I'm sure there are going to be people doing customizations, like, you know, taking the swoosh off, throwing it on backwards, giving you a Travis Scott looking sneaker. And again, just talking about Travis Scott, it seems like no matter what he drops, no matter what it is, it can be the Air Force Ones, it can be what he just dropped recently that nobody liked, it can be whatever, and people will love it. The Travis Jack, was it the Cactus Max or whatever? Everybody's going crazy with him because it had Travis Scott's in them. So I think that Travis Scott kind of remains at the high in terms of what has been dropping, because we've seen the I'm year sitting. We've seen so many dope, you know, collaborations with Jordan to drop for us, and they did not do as well as Travis Scott. But when you get some Travis Scott looking sneakers, bro, it comes as surprising a little bit that people did not go haywire for these like they did back in what, 2022 or 2021 when the highs initially released, man. But real quick, man, let's go ahead and check out the box. You guys see, man, Mocha Nike up top, Mocha on the side, and I do have my Palominos I'm gonna grab here in a second, kind of compare them to you guys real quick. But the fish color reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Cell Black and Dark Mocha. You guys can check them out. And lately, like I said, man, I'm going up a half size in all my sneakers, and now that I put on a size 9, I feel like I've always been a size 9.5, probably even a size 10 now. My phone positive, which is crazy. Inside the box, you know what I'm saying, nothing crazy. They did not throw any extra laces in there, which is kind of puzzling, but I don't even think the Mocha highs came with extra laces. You guys can let me know if you have a pair, if they came with extra laces back in the day when the high tops dropped. That'd be greatly appreciated. Again, man, check out the back, man. Nice wings low, gave it that OG Jordan 1 low cut. You know what I'm saying? The suede is looking really good. The embossed wings logo is looking crispy, and then you come to the side, and a lot of people have been already talking about it, man. The leather quality isn't nothing crazy. It ain't nothing like these joints right here. I feel like they threw something different on the black toes. I don't know what it was, bro, but the softness of the leather on the black toes is, you know, second to none. And you come to the Mochas, and then you probably have to break these in a little bit just to give it a more relaxed leather look, if that makes sense. Not gonna harp too much on leather because, yo, it is what it is. The leather is always inconsistent when it comes to releases. You can have one pair that's super tumbled, and you can have a pair that is super flat. And we've seen that plenty of times, and more specifically, the Air Jordan 3. You got your Mocha Nike Air on the tongue right here, as you guys can see. And then flipping on the insole, you also get a Mocha Nike Air right here. Go ahead and check that out, man. This is one of them releases where, you know, you can go out and grab it instantly, or you can wait a little bit to wait to see how low they go on the resale market. So right now, currently, you can get a pair for like 120, 130 bucks, and you wait a couple more weeks, you probably find these in the Nike outlet, like I said. But this is one for me that's just easy to rock, throw them on feet with anything. And the main attention grabbers, especially during this season, the fall, winter season, is those, you know what I'm saying, autumn colors, the mochas, the browns, you know what I'm saying, the olive colorways always pop during this season. And I'm telling y'all right now, bro, this is a crispy pair of Air Jordan 1 lows. And again, if you went crazy over the Mocha highs, you know what I'm saying, I don't see how you don't like these joints right here. Go ahead and check out the toe box right here, man. Again, like I said, nothing too crazy in terms of leather quality, but you do have your regular black toe around this Mocha Air Jordan 1 low, and of course, your regular black swoosh on these guys. I said I will be taking the white laces out of my black toes and throwing them in the Mocha so you guys can see them on their own feet and kind of compare and contrast which one you do rock out with more. I know some people say, I like the black laces. Gonna be some people say, yo, I like the white. And again, like I said, I've seen a couple people throwing in the pink laces in these Mochas, and them joints is looking crazy, man. So again, man, let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair of these things. Again, one of them no-brainer cops for me. I paid a little bit high because I thought that, you know, the resale would be a little crazy when it came to release date, but you guys see I was completely wrong about that. Sometimes I pull the trigger too soon. Sometimes I wait too long, I had to pay more for that sneaker. So sometimes I just try to, you know, gauge it and grab it at the right price. But of course, for me, I try to get everything early for you guys so you can check them out beforehand, before the drop. And yeah, I did that, and I paid the high for these Mochas, but these are a keeper in the collection. I love me a pair of Air Jordan 1 lows, and of course, took an L on the Mocha highs. So now we had these guys right here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Quick video, quick wrap up. They sit. We all know what's happening, so it's, you know, an understatement to be throwing it all the way out there saying, yo, these are sitting, I can't believe it. Everything is sitting nowadays, so it comes as no surprise to me, and I'm pretty sure it comes as no surprise to you, man. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, leave a huge like on today's video. That'd be greatly appreciated. If you guys want to keep seeing on feeds with, you know what I'm saying, some of these upcoming releases or some of these drops, man, please continue to hit the like button, run it up, and go crazy down below in the comment section, man. Again, love y'all. Thanks for tapping in. All that's been said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.